Welcome. And so what was your workshops all about?
Our workshops were connected to the film Helios, and I'm one of the persons who were asked to make worksheets for teachers in high schools and middle schools, and my worksheets were about solar activity, about magnetic field of the sun and impact of solar activity on the Earth. So the film Helios was about Professor Druckmiller and his work and his taking of pictures of the solar corona, and he used mathematical methods to show the sun in whole beauty.
Okay, so what would you say were the biggest media benefits of the film?
I think I really like the film because it shows Professor Druckmiller as a scientist, as a good scientist, and as a very nice and positive person, and who likes his job, and he presents his friends and whole work, which is very difficult, but the results are fascinating.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much.